Good afternoon, friends. Today I have come with one of my interesting topic, which I have nearby to me in my 12 years of law practice. I have come with a topic that is called intellectual property. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property, IPR, refers to creations of mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and image used in commerce. IP is protected in law by, for example, patent, copyrights, trademarks, which enable people to earn recognition or financial benefit for what they invent or create. By striking the right balance between the interests of innovators and the wider public interest, the IP system aims to foster an environment in which creativity and innovation can flourish. Now we have to talk about type of intellectual property. The intellectual property is segregated in maximum set, we can say 3 types, that is a copyright, patent, trademarks. What is a copyright? Copyright is a legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic works. Works covered by the copyright range from books, music, paintings, sculptures, and films to computer programs, databases, advertisements, maps, and technical drawings. What is a patent? A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention. Generally speaking, a patent provides the patent owner with the right to decide how or whether the invention can be used by others. In exchange for this right, the patent owner makes technically information about the invention publicly available in the published patent document. What is now trademark? A trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing the goods or service of one enterprise from those of other enterprise. Trademarks date back to ancient time when artisans used to put their signature or marks on their product. There are different types of, you can say, designs: industrial designs, geographical indications, trade secrets. What is an industrial design? An industrial design constitutes the ornamental or aesthetic aspects of an article. A design may consist of 3-dimensional features such as the shape or surface of an article, or of 2-dimensional features such as patterns, line or color. What is geographical indication? Geographical indications and appellations of origin or sign used on goods that have specific geographical origin. and possesses qualities, a reputation, or characteristics that are essentially attributable to that place of origin. Most commonly, a geographical indication includes the name of the place of origin of the goods. What is a trade secret? Trade secrets are IP rights on confidential information which may be sold or licensed. The unauthorized acquisition, use, or disclosure of such secret information in a manner contrary to honest commercial practices by others, in regard as an unfair practice and a violation of the trade secret protection. Now, we have to go ahead in these things. Then that is the role of the intellectual property. What is the role of intellectual property in amid COVID-19? Role of intellectual property amid in COVID-19 pandemic. Coronavirus is affecting each and every aspect of our daily lives. Apart from health risks, it has been disrupting our social and economic lifestyle are a part of it amid this situation. There is one thing which stays more powerful than, and that is intellectual property. It is imperative for us to realize it, not to mention it remains the same irrespective of any jurisdiction. We all know that intellectual property protection is a key to fostering innovations. Without protection of ideas, businesses and researchers would not get registration of intellectual property, that is called ROI, on their inventions, investments, which would ultimately lead to less research and development, which we can't afford, especially in this pandemic. What is the protecting IP still question? The question now comes in our mind, why is protecting IP still crucial? We can go in detail. That is the development of cross-industrial solution, first thing. To negligent mindset, second. That is thing. What opportunity can be created by the IP assets? Companies can develop solution to fight COVID-19 by having free access to IP assets owned by others. Companies can grant royalty-free licenses for those in need to beat COVID-19. Why is IP assessment mandatory? Now question arises. For that also I have to answer. That I will answer in next lecture series of IP. Thank you. Good day. Bye.